Hello once again. I'm meteorologist Sam Reichard with DeSotoCountyNewsroom.com. Your DeSoto Day Planner brought to you by Pounders Repair. You can find them at 345 East Commerce Street in Hernando, right by the railroad track. They specialize in diesel repair and performance. At 8 a.m. today, skies should be cloudy, temperature about 45. Cloudy again at 11 a.m., 57 degrees, 60 at 2 p.m. Cloudy skies, and by 5 p.m. after sunset, 58 degrees and cloudy skies. Can't rule out a stray light shower today, although the rain chances are very, very low. And by the way, winds will be from the south today, 5 to 10 miles per hour.